Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I have to make this quick video for you because I am back from shopping at Trader Joe's, supposedly food shopping, and look at all the wonderful plants that I found. So this is an encouragement to you that if you have a local Trader Joe's, I am just so pleased with all the plants that I have been finding there. I was probably most excited to find all of these wintergreen plants. Now, I made a video a little while ago about planting some of these outside in a planter because wintergreen is hardy down to zone 3, which is really cold. So you can actually put wintergreen in a planter outside here. You can plant it in the ground. It doesn't get to be huge, but it does provide somewhat of a ground cover. It stays nice and short, and it has all of these berries on it. Now, over time, yes, your birds will come and eat these. These are edible. They are also non-toxic to cats, so I can keep them inside, and I just think they look so festive. And the best part about this was the previous ones that I had bought. We paid $18.99 for this size plant. And at Trader Joe's, you can get them for $6.99. And that is quite a bargain. So go quickly to Trader Joe's and get wintergreen and think of the Garden Mouse channel. Now, the other thing that I was really excited, I was excited about a lot of things. Who am I kidding? All these plants are awesome. They had some more of our lemon cypress trees. Now, last year, I got a whole bunch of these, and they call them Grinch trees because they put a little clip-on ornament and they wrap them up. But what I like to do is unwrap them. And then if you come down in here, you'll see that the wrapping clips to the bottom, and I floof them out into their regular shape, and we have our regular lemon cypress tree. Now, this is only hardy down to zone 7 outside, so I'm going to keep these inside. But last year, I wanted to put some of these in my spring window boxes, and this was the size that I wanted. This is a pretty good size. And I went to get them, and I could only find one, and it was about $20. And once again, we're talking between like $6.99, $8 at Trader Joe's for these Grinch trees. I think that these are fabulous. They are festive. They have that lime color to them. They make me happy looking at them all around the house. So I only got 2. But I might have to get some more as I go back. I didn't want to take them all, especially if any of you want to head there and get some real quick. Okay, I'm going to just unclip here. Now, you do have to make sure that you water these. Sometimes when I get plants from Trader Joe's, I do find that they need some watering right away. Your lemon cypress, especially, these guys really like to stay moist, so you want to make sure that you are all set. They also had frosty ferns with a cute little pine cone. Frosty ferns are another great indoor plant. If you have pets, they are non-toxic. The frostiness is the white that happens around the edge of this fern. And then year to year, I always save my little pine cones that they give here because you never know what you can do next year. And as I peel this back, you can see that these are just in regular little pots. This one's pretty damp. And then in another little pot there to keep the water safe. So really packaged cute. These are also fabulous hostess gifts. I would be thrilled if anyone brought me any of these as a hostess gift. And it would not matter that I already have 6 wintergreen plants. You can never have enough of these if you are a gardener. So always a good idea. Now down this end, this is the first year that I have gotten this ivy wreath there. And I'm going to clip off the tag as I talk to you. So this looks like English ivy to me, and they've taken and they have made it into a topiary shape, into a nice little wreath, and this comes with fairy lights. So I'm going to see, it has attached to them a little battery pack here. just like you might order on Amazon. And this was $12.99, so still a good deal, a little more expensive, but we're getting our lights here. And you know, these lights you can use year to year. I love the fairy lights. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sort of pull them carefully apart. Fairy lights you have to be very, very gentle with. Think of fairy wings. Okay, so I'm just going to take and start on one side, and because it has this very delicate wire that sort of bends, I'm just gonna loop it in and out as we go around. And you can actually go all around like this. And it's not too long of a strand, but this is adorable too. Now, ivy is often given as a sign of friendship because ivy will grow on anything. You know how it is. Often in places you don't want it. I don't want to plant ivy outside because of that. However, as a sign of friendship, it means that your friendship will weather the worst storms. This plant will grow up on hard to grow places, and so it's a sign that your friendship will last through anything. Now it says to just pull that, and I think we have to wait until it gets dark. Oh, hold it. Oh, look at that. I love it. Oh, that is just so cheerful. Fabulous. This is great. I probably should have gotten another one of those too. And then I got a few of these, two in red. I got one in wax that is silver out in the front room here. These are waxed amaryllis bulbs. So you saw me plant up the amaryllis bulbs that I had that were not covered in wax, that went into dirt. But if you get them like this, you don't plant them in anything. You don't water them. You don't do anything. They have coated the bulb. There's enough moisture in the bulb as it is, and food and everything, that you just set these in a sunlit place. Doesn't even have to be that sunlit. This is perfect on the counter here. And we already have buds and leaves coming up, and it will grow a stalk up and bloom. These are amazing. So I also, the best price once again is at Trader Joe's. I have seen them there dipped in this bright red wax, dipped in gold, and dipped in silver. And I was there when they opened this morning, and there was a lady buying all of them. There were a couple of us there who got a few, and literally she was loading up her cart because she knew what an amazing deal they were, and what a great gift, because you can never have too many amaryllis bulbs to bloom either. When I've done them in the past, they have been a bright red color, this color that's on here, so I'm assuming that's what it is going to be. But these are fabulous. So these are the fun things that I got at Trader Joe's. And then over here, I still have my succulent pumpkin. It's going strong. You know, I did this the end of October, beginning of November, and I've just been spritzing it with water once a week. It's doing great, and it's throwing out some babies here with little roots. I'm going to propagate this soon. So you will be seeing that in an upcoming video too, which is going to be so much fun. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.